In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your LinkedIn profile to your Facebook account, seamlessly integrating your professional and social networks in just a few easy steps, which should take about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to LinkedIn, open up your favorite web browser and type in linkedin.com, which will direct you straight to their homepage. Once there, you'll need to log in. You can do this by choosing one of the convenient options such as using Google, Microsoft, or simply entering your email address and password manually. If you have two-factor authentication set up for extra security, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. They typically do this by sending a code to your registered phone number, so keep your phone handy to complete this verification process smoothly. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Me icon. This is represented by your profile picture or avatar. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select View Profile to access your LinkedIn profile page. Once you're on your profile page, locate the Contact Info section. You will find this option just below your profile picture. Click on it to open a new window with your contact details. Next, you'll see a pencil icon, typically used for editing in most web interfaces. Give that a click to bring up your editable contact information. Now, while still in this edit mode, take a scroll down until you find the section labeled Websites. Alongside this section, you should see a plus sign button. Clicking this will allow you to add new links to your profile. This is where you can add the URL for your Facebook page. Simply type in or paste your Facebook URL in the designated field. After you've entered your Facebook link, you'll want to make sure everything is saved so you don't lose your changes. Look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom or top of the editing window. Click it, and just like that, your LinkedIn profile is now connected to your Facebook account. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully linked two of your major social platforms, thereby enhancing your online presence and making it easier for people to connect with you both professionally and socially. Remember, maintaining updated and integrated profiles can be a huge benefit, especially in today's digital age. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tech tips.